Hi, I'm Sebastian, and I'm excited to tell you about my amazing adventure in Ecuador. I just arrived at my grandparents' house, and wow, they live by the beach.
Welcome, mi nieto. How about we make some ceviche today?
Ceviche? What's that, Abuelita?
It's a delicious seafood dish, mi amor. Let's go to the market.
We went to this amazing market. So many colors and smells. Look at all these fresh shrimp, juicy tomatoes, and bright green limes.
Each ingredient is special, Sebastian. They all work together to make our ceviche delicious.
Can I help squeeze the limes, Abuelita? Squeezing limes is fun, but my fingers are all sticky now.
Now let's clean and peel the shrimp. Watch carefully, mi nieto.
Oops, this is harder than it looks. The shrimp keeps slipping out of my hands.
Don't worry, practice makes perfect. Now let's prepare the vegetables.
I love the sounds we're creating in the kitchen. Feel the energy. Also, Abuelita told me stories about Ecuador while we cooked. It was like traveling back in time. She shared stories of vibrant festivals and traditional dances of Ecuador.
And now we mix everything together. The magic of ceviche is about to happen.
It smells so good already. Can we taste it now?
Patience, mi amor. Let's set the table with some crunchy corn and plantain chips.
When I took my first bite of ceviche, it was like, so delicious. This tastes amazing. I learned so much about my family and where we come from. It made me feel really special. Now I can't wait to share this awesome recipe and all the cool stories with my friends back home in New York. I'm really proud of where I come from. I'm super thankful for learning our traditions and how special they are.